What's up, Dachief here? Today we'll be breaking down a Taser video. Well, not really breaking it down. Today we'll be laughing at a Taser video together. Breaks away.
Come on, Pop! Come on, you can't do this, dude!
So one of the things I always tell people, if you don't have the physical ability to chase someone in a foot pursuit, use that radio because nobody can outrun a Motorola radio.
You can't do this!
So this guy decides to shake and bake a little bit, but obviously he did not predict this police officer pulling out a taser. Got him! So as you can see, you cannot outrun that 21-foot distance of that taser. Good shot. So you can almost predict, it's almost every time someone gets tasered, they make this exact same sound, and it goes a little bit something like this. Oh man, it's good. That was good. So I hope you guys liked the video. I found it on I found it on Facebook. I found it on somewhere. I got a good laugh at it. So God bless, stay safe. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.